Hey, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Nature Travel Boy TV. Today, we're diving into the heart of Paris, where history, art, and architecture intertwine, Notre Dame Cathedral. I'm beyond excited to share this iconic landmark with you, so grab your virtual passport, and let's embark on this virtual journey together. Nestled on the Ile de la Cité in the heart of Paris, Notre Dame Cathedral stands as a testament to centuries of history, art, and architectural brilliance. In this video, we'll take a journey through the rich history of Notre Dame, explore the tragic events surrounding the fire of 2019, and delve into the ongoing efforts to rebuild this iconic landmark. A glimpse into history. Notre Dame Cathedral, often referred to as the Our Lady of Paris, has a storied history dating back to its construction in the 12th century. Built in the Gothic architectural style, the cathedral took nearly 200 years to complete, with its spires, flying buttresses, and stunning stained glass windows captivating visitors for generations. Over the centuries, Notre Dame bore witness to coronations, royal weddings, and significant historical events, solidifying its place in the cultural fabric of France. The tragedy of 2019. On April 15, 2019, the world watched in horror as Notre Dame Cathedral was engulfed in flames. The fire, believed to have started in the attic, spread rapidly, causing significant damage to the roof, spire, and interior. Millions around the globe mourned the loss of this cultural treasure. The fire not only devastated the physical structure but also left an emotional scar on those who cherished Notre Dame. Rise from the ashes, restoration efforts. In the wake of the tragedy, a global outpouring of support and solidarity emerged. Pledges for funds and expertise flooded in from individuals, corporations, and governments. The French government launched an ambitious restoration project, vowing to restore Notre Dame to its former glory. Expert architects, artisans, and craftsmen joined forces to meticulously assess the damage and formulate a comprehensive plan for reconstruction. The rebuilding process. The rebuilding process of Notre Dame Cathedral is a meticulous and delicate undertaking. The damaged sections, including the roof and spire, are being reconstructed with a combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. Skilled artisans are working to replicate the intricate details of the original structure, ensuring that the essence of Notre Dame is preserved. The restoration project aims not only to repair the damage but also to incorporate sustainable and fire-resistant materials to safeguard the cathedral's future, a beacon of resilience. As Notre Dame Cathedral rises from the ashes, it stands not just as a physical structure but as a symbol of resilience and unity. The restoration efforts serve as a testament to the collective commitment to preserving cultural heritage for future generations. Notre Dame's journey, from the heights of medieval grandeur to the devastation of the fire and now the ongoing reconstruction, is a poignant narrative that reinforces the enduring power of human determination and cultural significance. As of 2024, significant progress has been made in the restoration of Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Here are some key updates. Workforce: nearly 1,000 workers are involved in the restoration efforts. They work both on-site and in workshops across France. Scaffolding removal. Scaffolding, which was initially erected for restoration purposes, is being gradually removed in phases. Restoration of key elements. Grand organ. The grand organ has undergone restoration. Stained glass windows. These intricate windows have also been restored. Wrought iron railings. The railings have received attention and repair. Vaults and buttress walls. Key structural elements like vaults and buttress walls have been repaired or replaced. Timber framework. The timber framework for the nave and choir is being prepared in workshops for future installation. Iconic spire. Reconstruction of the iconic spire has commenced. Steady advancement. Overall, the progress report indicates steady advancement towards the cathedral's complete restoration. The restoration journey involves a dedicated team of experts, including carpenters, stonemasons, ironworkers, and artisans from various specialties. Their collective efforts aim to restore this medieval masterpiece to its former glory after the devastating fire in 2019. The reconstructed spire, identical to the 1859 version designed by architect Eugène Viollet-le-Duc, has been revealed as scaffolding is removed. This marks a significant milestone in the restoration process. Reopening date. The cathedral is on track to reopen on December 8, 2024. Let's go Nature Travel Boy, let's explore more.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, 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 how can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing, loving you is a poem. It's sweet, 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 how can it be? And you make my candy-coated heart melt when you take my hand and I am under your spell. Baby, I crave your affection when I stepped in sweet confection. Honey, you're my sugar. I'm pleased as punch, whether spiked or sparkling. You make me tipsy and bubbly. If you're dessert, I want the last course first. Oh, how I love all your candy kisses, and I'm addicted. Oh, 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 I can't have just one. No. Sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. Baby, I crave your affection when I stepped in sweet confection. Honey, you're my sugar.
Fireball summer, honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer, it was a fireball summer. And he said, don't you forget me when I'm gone. Promise I won't. Remember us dancing to a song all night long. Will you still text me when you can't be strong? It all feels wrong 'cause I got you. Nothing comes closer. Fireball summer. Fireball summer.
Another lonely summer, till I got your number. Open up the shutters to life in Technicolor. Ex-girlfriend said I changed, 'cause I cut out all the lanes. Only one girl in my lane, only one can on the pain. 5-7 on the 886, we made our own love. King of my corporation, we made our own love. Nobody mess with the team, yo. Shout out my PSC, yo. How can my lucky number, my number one?
Honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer, it was a fireball summer. Wonder if you'll be my beat, 'cause I'm drunk in love. I'm just being frank, 'cause you the one I'm thinking of. Remember 2014 when we were coming up? Had to split the bud, had to split the buzz. Now we're in the house city, like go fuck it up. Fireball shots, baby, make that double cup.
chasing lies that never got them past the surface. What happened to our purpose? And don't believe the settling on what comes easy takes courage. Don't let haters tell you that it's not worth it. Don't let them take your purpose. I'm taking my sweet time. Feels right. Living in the moment. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time. Each time I started seeing that the good life has 100 different faces. Talk to my future on a first name basis. 'Cause life is what you make it. Now I'm realizing that everything I face and set the stage. I know who I am and I don't need to fake it. 'Cause I already made it. Taking my sweet time. Feels right. Living in the moment. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time. Feels right. Living in the moment. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time. Each time. I ain't got nothing to prove. Better off in my own shoes. I ain't rushing, I ain't making no excuse. Taking my sweet time. Feels right. Living in the moment, yeah. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time.